A couple days ago, I took my dog Smudo for a walk at the Rhine River and I found this broken bench. Prime location for a bench, but unfortunately it's broken. See, there's only one seat. So I thought this could be a really cool project. Fix this broken bench, turn a negative into a positive, almost like guerilla making, right? Is that a term? Am I a guerilla maker? Since I'm still trying not to spend any money on my projects and to work with what I have, the first step, of course, is to find a good material for this.
And the perfect source for material for my bench are disposable pellets. And lucky me, my neighbor has plenty of them, and the best part is they are made from tropical woods, which means they're perfect for outdoor use.
The only question is, how do I get all of these pellets into my shop? Basically, just try to find a common denominator for each of the pieces so that I have a consistent thickness or width that I can work with. Now, what I didn't expect is that there are actually 6 different kinds of wood, which means it's 6 different kinds of color, which I think is a little bit too much. It's too overwhelming to have a bench that is so colorful. So now I just pick maybe 2 or 3 of the kinds of woods that I want to work with. I will go with this and this. This is Kumaru. The other ones, I don't know what it is. Still have no idea how the bench is going to look, but I will figure this out along the way, I think. now finally it's time to install the seats. I really hope the bench is still there. I haven't checked since. If you are in the Cologne area and if you want to enjoy the most beautiful view of the city, please go ahead and visit my bench. If you want, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see people use this bench. Either way, as always, I want to thank my friends, partners, and sponsors who make all of this possible. If you want to know who I work with, check the links in the description. And more than anything, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.